Now that lettuce is actually called worrying.
Worrying.
Yes.
I've saved my hunger for this moment.
My friend. I don't know. Wonder, how do you say it? Wonder, how do you say it?
In the Niger Delta food series, we'll be exploring different foods from around the region in 5 to 10 years, showing you how they are prepared and sharing some of our secret recipes with you. And we'll start this journey from Bayelsa State, Nigeria, coming to the next Niger Delta state soon. Hi, welcome to the Niger Delta Stories project. This is the first series of the Niger Delta food. First episode, right?
First episode, yes.
Yeah, the first episode in Niger Delta food series. And we have here some beautiful
brass
delicacies,
yes,
man, prepared by our chef. Auntie
Chef
Inemo, she's sitting by the side.
Yes,
she's watching
just
us.
smiling.
She wants to see how we're gonna finish this beautiful meal. You know, there's more to Niger Delta than militancy, crude oil and violence, and this is some of the things we want to know. We want to know some of our food, some of our delicacies. We want to know how they are prepared. Even though today we couldn't get to show you how this was prepared, but we'll tell you some of the ingredients.
Yes.
They want to have, knowledge about this food, the names, and these are just some of the things that are unique about us. I want to share it with you. So with me is Numo, my fan, my friend. And she like food.
A lot. Yes, I like food a lot. I don't go deny.
Food. So Numo, what do we have here? Numo, what do you have here?
Yes, we have. I'll start from this one.
Okay, start from here.
Yes, this is fufu, of course.
Okay, fufu.
This is okra soup.
Okay.
Specially prepared the brass way.
I see some.
With lots of spices.
What's inside this? Tell
we have lots of native spices. We have prawns.
Yeah.
We have periwinkles, fresh periwinkles. We have goat meat. We have fresh fish. Croaker. We have croaker fresh fish.
Oh.
We have croaker fresh fish.
I can't wait.
We have palm oil. We have okra.
Beautiful.
Yes,
let's come here. What's the name of this?
Okra soup.
Okra soup. But
yes,
this is the brass.
Okra soup.
But this is the brass type.
Yes.
This is okra soup, but this is very different.
Yes,
very unique.
Yes, because of the spices.
And
the native spices.
So, Numo, what's here?
And then this is our very special yellow soup. It's called the yellow soup. In our dialect, yes. I think I was spoiling brass. In our dialect, it's actually called worrying.
Worrying.
Yes.
Worrying.
Yes. Worrying. It's also called gari eke garigbo. There's a reason for that.
Chef,
yeah?
eke garigbo.
Now the ingredients.
Gari eke garigbo.
So there's a reason for that. This soup is prepared with very few ingredients actually. Fresh fish, palm oil, and gari. Okay. Gari is the special ingredient in this soup.
Inside the soup?
Yes, gari is the thickener.
Oh, okay.
Alright, that's why it's called
is
gari.
That tomato here?
No, not tomato.
It's oil.
It's oil. Yes, red oil, fresh pepper, fresh fish, croaker.
Croaker,
yes.
Beautiful, and prawn, and
prawns, yes.
So, where do we start from?
I think we start from this.
We start from here.
Start from here. This place is looking my throat.
So we'll push this forward.
Yes, and push this forward.
And we'll bring this closer. Chef, closer.
Closer. Yes.
Beautiful. So this
I think I prepared this bigger food. Give me this.
You prepared the bigger food. You want to finish?
I want to cheat. I want to cheat Wonder. I'm going to cheat this man.
Taking the first spoon.
Let me let you as a visitor. And let me just be nice today. I'm just being nice. You know I'm not usually nice, right?
I'm not nice. Don't concern me. See what she's doing. Oh man. Oh.
I won't cheat you again, but I say no. Wonder, how do you say it? Wonder, how do you say it?
Yenta.
You're going to choose. You shall want some more.
I feel like I know come on this Brazil.
You guys.
I will just stay here.
Please.
Why if you rent house? I mean, if you stay for your.
No, no chance. No space.
Look, I've been eating every day.
This is amazing.
This is something else.
When you visit brass, ask for yellow soup.
Yes, ask for yellow soup and rice because.
You can actually use a bag with this.
See the way I'm rushing, man. You will know that I've been hungry. I've saved my hunger for this moment.
My friend.
I saved the hunger.
We kept our stomach empty for this moment. You won't believe it.
I want to finish this thing on record.
I don't know.
Not only with rice, you can swallow with it.
You can swallow this soup too.
Yes,
great. I love it. No, we'll continue with this one very soon. We're coming back. But now, we can carry this one out. Thank you, our chef, our international chef. Okay.
Let us devour.
We are here for. Let's introduce it now. In the rush.
Konyac flour.
Konyac flour.
Konyac means scented soup.
Is it the one that I made you forget the name?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what. Don't ask
excitement.
me. Yes, everything combined together, my friend. Everything combined together.
I can't wait to dive this one.
Oh God. Look at this. Look at this fresh prawns.
I said the prawn is. Oh my God.
Do you feel that spice? Do you feel the spice? I'm sure it's fish, fresh fish.
Our chef is best. Yeah, come just ask for this chef. I should give you. Have you answered them? Just ask for the number. Just ask for the number. You see the way we're enjoying this now? No be choice. No be play. We know they play.
We will not come here to come play.
I swear,
This is good.
You don't chop like how many just now?
Only one.
Only one.
Only one, I'm not sure. I don't like. You don't chop meat.
I don't chop now.
I don't carry meat too.
I want to keep the meat for the last.
Not me.
Don't finish the meat too. I think that was too good. You teach me teaching before I come here.
You go pay.
How much?
You go pay.
1 million.
5 million.
More than that. Yes.
It's worth
5 million.
Any amount to call.
5 million.
Add 2M, enter inside.
Correct. You be billionaire now, so I know what you do.
I want to lose my manners, so please.
I've already lost my manners.
We're going to off this recording now because I want to lose my manners. Wait, not off it. I'm going to off this recording because I want to lose my manners and I don't want you people to see that part of me. So no more. Before I reveal that part. You guys, what I want to say is that Graz is a beautiful place. I've enjoyed myself here, and now you can see the food is. It's as
Maybe
sweet.
eaters are talking.
It's as sweet as I'm saying it is, man. You have to come and taste the food. Come here for yourself. Come and taste the okra, Graz okra soup. Taste the yellow soup. We still have another dish here, right?
Yes,
a third dish. We're going to deal with that one separately so that people can see the. So yeah, thank you for watching, and you can subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment
Link below.
Yeah. And the chef is going to be
notification.
available if you come to Browse and call. You can book ahead so that she can prepare for you when you're coming. Let's book her. Let's close down the business.
Yes.
So you can come and taste the food, enjoy yourself. There's a video that's coming after this. You can click that and learn more about food, the name, how sweet they are, the taste, how they are prepared, and all that. We have more videos coming for you around the region.
Yes.
So thank you for watching. God bless.
God bless you.
Yeah.
Ciao.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Also check this playlist here to watch more interesting videos, and see you on the next video. Thank you so much for supporting.